You can go back, again, depends on what you're doing with it, if you're swing trading or what's going on, but if you're scalp trading it, look what's going on. Like for example, this is today. Look at tomorrow. Let's look at tomorrow. All these tickers have their earnings report coming out tomorrow. That's a lot. Woo! So keep your eye on this when you're watching this. All right, that's one right there. So boom, another one right here. Let's go. You guys said it, and I really like it. So let me mention it. So Rico mentioned this. I love Market Watch. Absolutely love Market Watch. Right here, guys. What is Angel? What does ER mean? You said ER. What are good key things to look for in an earnings report? Ernesto, I got you. Right here. You want to look at the EPS. EPS, estimated price per share. This is what the gurus are forecasting, the people that think they know what they're talking about, because at the end of the day, no one really knows what's going on. No one can predict tomorrow, but you can just take a good guess. You want to look at the EPS, the estimated price per share, that they think it's going to go up. Will it go up $2? Like this one right here. Humana, HUM ticker. That's a pharmaceutical company, right? They're projecting it's going to go up $2.86 per share. That's insane. So someone go look, let's look at it right now. Let's see what's going on with that right now. Let's see. I need to get rid of the marker. By the way, guys, keep screenshotting things because this is not getting saved. So let's look at Humana. Let's see how it's doing today. All right, let's check it out. Right here. This is the one. It's earnings report. It's prediction. Look at it. Oh, 5 days is not doing so good. But overall, there you go. It's up 2.3%, $9.33. 30 cents. When is it coming out? Where is it? This comes out when? Did I do tomorrow or today? Tomorrow. So, boom. HUM is a good thing to look at, right? There's your watch list right there. Alex, which one are you talking about? The one right there? Just Google stock earnings report, NASDAQ. All right, let's go to Market Watch. So Market Watch is also good to get what's going on right here. Can I zoom in? Thank you for blocking the pop. It won't let me zoom in, but read up all the stuff going on. Look what's happening. Just read what's happening within it. This is really good too, guys. Market Watch. This is excellent. There you go. So look up. It's interesting. Oil's down. Very interesting. All right. Webull got a calendar for earnings? Yeah, Webull has it too. Webull had it too. Daryl, what's going on? Try zooming into the article. Secretly, I'm trying. It won't let me zoom in. Let me see. Let me try something. Oh, here we go. So look at what's happening here. Fracking and Green New Deal. Here's where Trump and Biden stand on climate change, etc. Got going on right here. Today wasn't as bad as the day they said it would be. But the Dow, S&P, everything did well. Oil went down a little bit. I guess because, I don't know. I'm speculating. I don't look at oil, but I'm speculating because they're worried. Because if Biden gets it, you know oil is in trouble. Clean energy is going to go up. So, boom, boom. Okay, there you go. Again, this is it. Just focus on these articles. Focus on what's going on here. And also another thing, I'm just, as I'm looking at this, when one company within a sector gets affected, it affects the other stocks as well. So be very careful with that, whatever you're looking at. Remember that. All right, so what else? I got the market watch. Any questions? People, you can 91 of you in here. If you have questions, you can ask me. All right, that's market watch. That's earnings calendar. Got that out of the way. Let's go to the other thing. So number one, so we're answering the question, right? Because I have to make an Instagram reel for it later. How to use market research. You would take all that data, due diligence. If you ever looked at the chat, everyone's like DD, due diligence. This is how you do your due diligence, okay? Boom. You saw how I Googled HUM? You can also do this, by the way. Let me show you. There's nothing wrong with doing this as well. Where is it? Right here. Just Google, like we were looking at HUM. Where's news? News. Oh look, quarterly report, 9 o'clock in the morning, EST. Boom. Do me a favor, one of you watch HUM. They're predicting that it's going to do well. So somebody right now, watch this for me and tell me how it does. I'm going to go back live on Friday. I'll be live with the influencer on Friday. So someone tell me on Friday, how did HUM do? So that's interesting. I got questions. In a quick summary, because you got to keep teaching, but what are your thoughts on calls and puts? Do you think, Alex, I don't do options. I know nothing about options, absolutely nothing. So I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. But if you're in the day trade group, message Manny. Manny, he knows. We supposed to buy in a company when they have earnings? Angel, it depends. Are you scalping it or are you swing trading it? It depends. You buy on the hype, sell on the news. Buy the hype, like the hype is that they're estimating that it's going to do really well. HUM, we'll use this as an example. The hype is doing well, and the stock is up today. So look at the hype. But what if the stock really doesn't do well when it opens at 9 o'clock? Boom, goes down. So again, buy on the hype, sell on the news. Buy on the hype, sell on the news. You can write that down. Is there identifying chart patterns on the list? Danny, we'll go further into the list later. All right, guys. Any questions about number one? Let me know, guys. I'll move on to the next one. 95 of you. What's up, 95 people? How to use market research. Is everyone on board? Everyone watching this feed right now, worldwide. Are we all clear? Give me a thumbs up if you're clear. So I'll move to question number 2. Look PayPal. Look after hours. What happened? Angel, we'll look at it later. What usually makes you trade another stock other than the 3 chosen blue chips? Will, ever since I discovered shorting, I don't look at AT&T or Pfizer anymore. Ever since I discovered shorting, because now, good day, bad day, doesn't matter. I can always make money on it. So boom. All right, thumbs up. Okay. All right, people are good. All right. People are good. Hey, Mustafa's here. Mustafa, what's going on, bro? When you say sell on the news, do you mean the performance of the stock once the market opens after news, or info on the market watch, for example? Eric, just sell on the news. Meaning, before any reports come out about if they did good or bad on whatever, sell. You buy on the speculation. If the speculation is good, just buy on that. That's what I mean by that. Alpha, you have to make your own. Again, there's much deeper into that. Finding the right tickers, doing the research. Does it move with the SPY? Does it have nice up and down movement? Does it have a particular dollar amount it stays on? You have to go deeper into that. All right, number 2. Answer this in the comments, guys. How do you keep your emotions in check? Let's go. Let me hear it. I'm going to write it down. Where's the marker? What an ugly K. Alright guys, answer this for me. Because I have an influencer coming on Friday. Actually, he's a doctor. You'll love this guy. This guy's like, he's big in TikTok. Huge. Hardest thing for me is emotions. Yeah. Rosa, it's not just you, it's everybody. That is the hardest thing about trading. So let's talk about it. Let me hear it in the comments. How do you keep your emotions in check? Let me drink my water. Just been happy if you get 3 to 5%. Angel, for sure, for sure. M gold, yes, for sure. Set goals before you play. Set goals before you play. Have a plan. Let's write this down. This is good stuff. Let's change the color. Have a plan. So, Rosa, if you have a plan, do you think better? Do you know what you're doing? Do you panic less when you know what's going on, right? That's the key. Plan to trade, trade the plan. Yes, have a plan before entering the trade. That's the key. That's the key. Raj, set a goal for the day. I'm not a fan of that. I'm sorry. And me personally, I'm against setting a goal for the day because it makes you take trades you wouldn't take. Trade the setup, not the stock. You trade the setup. Doing push-ups, okay. If you can control your emotions, you become very dangerous. Ha ha ha, you know it, Mo. Playing music in the background. Danny, I don't know. I'm more of a chill kind of trader. I just chill out. I think that comes with experience. Losing, earning, study, trade. I like what Carl said, yes. I agree. That's a great way to keep your emotions in check. I create a plan, write on a piece of paper, what price and buying, okay, cool, very good. Money comes and goes, that is true. Set restrictions, keep a journal. Montana, what's up? Keep a journal for trading and document everything. Yeah, Montana, we're gonna talk about that later. Stick to your plan. Yes, when I have a plan, I feel in control. Meditation. Ooh, meditation is key. Meditation is key. Again, I have someone coming to talk about that, I think in 3 weeks. Do not trade with Moody. Ooh, yes, Nunez. Very good. The last one for you guys. Do not trade tired, sleepy, for those alcoholics, drunk, or high, for those drug people over here. Angel, congratulations, very nice. Trade what you see, not what you think. Pablo, I love that. I love that. Trade what you see, not what did he say? I like what he said, think. I love it. Nice, Pablo, very nice. All is well, Montana, all is well. How does meditation work? Shannon, great question. So I have someone coming to talk about meditation on Friday. So be ready Friday, 8 p.m. He's a big time influencer, he's a doctor. I don't want to tell the name right now. So with meditation, what happens is, here's the thing. Everyone ready? I'm going to tell you right now. When you're in a trade and it's going sideways, it's not doing so well, you don't breathe properly, right? So if you don't breathe properly, oxygen is not getting to your brain. So guess what happens next? You're not thinking straight. When you're not thinking straight, you do stupid decisions. You ever notice you pull out the trade, you're like, oh my God, what happened? You didn't follow your plan. So what does meditation do? Breathing. Moises talked about it. Moises did a video in the Day Trade Today IG post. It's somewhere in there where he talks about breathing techniques. Because if you're breathing properly, staying calm, you know what I'm talking about. For example, if you go watch my live scalp video, the 26-minute one, where I'm down, but I know my plan. I'm staying calm and relaxed because I know what my plan is. I know how that stock will maneuver. So I don't get scared. I don't stop breathing. You have to keep breathing. That's the key. That's one of the frameworks of meditation. I'm taking notes. Can you please move? I'll move out of the way. I got you. I gotta take my water break. Wim Hof? Yo, Dean, what does Wim Hof mean? Yo, what does Wim Hof mean, guys? Why are you guys saying Wim Hof? What does that mean? Breathe should be at the top of the list then? Okay, we could do that. How to keep motion chest. I guess we'll make this 1. I'll change the numbers later. I love the person that told me to move. When you're in class, do you even take notes? Miss or Mr. whoever told me to move? Oh, he teaches breathing exercises. Got you. I think most important is to go when you're sure and your ticker's aligning. That will help. Okay, yes. Wim Hof is a dude that runs around the Arctic in the boxers. Yes, listen to Shannon. Just screenshot this, guys. Here, let me just turn it a little bit. My screenshots are my notes. There you go. Left Kios is here. What's up, my Greek brother? All right, are we good? Let me fix the camera. All right, let me move this a little bit. All right, guys, give me more. How to keep emotion in check. Are we done? Do we got 6? I need to change the numbers because I have to make an IG reel about this. So let me change the numbers. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Left Kios, all is well, my friend, all is well. Next one, are we done? Is this it? Is this how we keep our emotions in check? Let me know, I'll move to question number 2. Let me know. Document all your trades and reason you went in and out. JDR, that's for another number. We're gonna get to that. If we're done with this, give me a thumbs up, 80 of you in here. Thank you, you're the best. You're welcome, Shannon, anytime. Trade in a peaceful environment. Ooh, Nunez, that's key. That is key. Good man. Good man right there. So what number are we on? Number 7. That is so important. Good job, Nunez. Let's get right. What does let's get right mean? I don't know what that means. Don't trade at lunch hours. Rico, that's a different conversation. Don't compare your trades or profit loss to others. Ooh, Mo, good one. Very good. Yo, this is not gonna fit on a 15-second reel. It's all good. Number 8, I like what he said. Don't compare your trades with others. Don't compare yourself to others. Yes, I'm gonna explain number 8 more. If you see your friends or people posting, look at my wins, oh my God, stop thinking, I could have done that. You don't know them. You don't know their technique. You don't know how long they've been trading. You don't know what's going on in their heads as they traded. Worry about yourself. I've made Instagram stories about that. If you go to my IG stories, look at my highlights. I've saved the best highlights there for you guys to review these ideas. So remember that. Guys, if I miss one of yours, repeat it because so many comments are coming in. Focus on percentage. Here's the thing. For those of you guys that look at your percentage or your dollar amount, P&L, whatever you're doing, think of it this way. When you're playing sports, let me talk to the sports people. When you're playing sports, are you looking at the score, basketball guys? Are you looking at the scoreboard? Do you think when Michael Jordan is playing his basketball, LeBron, Kobe, whoever, do you think they're looking at the scoreboard or they're just playing the game? Just play the game. Just trade. Don't worry about the P&L. Yes, it's there, but your focus should be on the candles. Your focus should be on your indicators. Your focus should be on your support resistance lines. That's where your focus needs to be. Don't worry about the number. Who cares if you're up 100, down 100? Just trade. Just trade. So just remember that. Don't trade while watching Netflix, don't multitask. Well, that's obvious. I don't think I have to say that. Do I have to say that? I guess. Okay, Nunez, okay. I like that. Nunez, you're on your game. Car Smart, thank you. I appreciate that. Stop loss so you don't lose so much and mess up your mind. Mr. 2K, that's for another day. I don't know about, we should put that into the emotions. Some books you'll recommend. Raj, I'm reading 2 books, but I don't remember the names. Because when I'm reading a book, I don't care about the name of the book or the author. I just read the book. Off the top of my head, I don't remember. And I don't want to give you the wrong information. Yeah, I post quotes from that book on my personal IG every weekend, so I don't remember the names. Always pray before a trade. Ernesto, that's hilarious. Always pray before a trade. I agree. I think most important thing is not letting FOMO get the best of you. Yes, Lavkio is 100% right here. Number 8 falls under FOMO. Number 8. Yeah, I try to do it while I'm shopping. It never works out. Shannon, stop shopping. What are you doing shopping for? You shop later. Trade and then shop later. Save your money. You don't need a Gucci belt. Trading in the Zone is a great book for keeping emotions in check. Okay, guys, look at you guys giving awesome advice on books. Don't get greedy. That's a good one. How to keep emotions in check. Yes. Nice. Who said that so I can thank them? Adrian, good. Keep greed out of the trade. So let me explain number 10, right? What Adrian said. Keep greed out of the trade. When you're trading and you see that there's for example, I'm going to move the board, but I'll come right back to it, okay? Let me show you an example with greed, because I want to go deep into things today. I don't want to leave them vague. Let me take some questions. Will, what does the professor do to keep your emotions in check? I think I've said this. I've said it many times, but I'll say it again, Will. Thank you for bringing that up. I just don't care about the money. I don't care about any of it. I could care less. For me, trading, it's not fun. I'll be honest. It's not fun because it doesn't make me happy. What makes me happy is making content, teaching, having my message go across the world, basically, where people can learn. That's what makes me happy. So it doesn't make me happy. I could care less about it. So that's the key right there. I don't care about the money in there, because what am I doing with that money? At the end of the day, it's just gonna keep compounding. I put it right back, go bigger on the next trade, use that for real estate, and just one thing I want is an electric motorcycle. I'll get that next year now. I can't get it now, but I'll get it next year. So that's how I keep myself in check. I just don't care. Like if you go watch my live video, my voice, monotone. And by the way, that rain you hear in the background, that's not audio, that's real rain. It was raining that day in New York, so that's how I keep myself in check. Shannon says you're cheap, good. Listen, look into becoming a minimalist. It's the greatest thing ever. Don't need a Gucci belt. Yeah, no one needs a Gucci belt. Sell it when you hit your target. Yes, Jeff, that's what I was gonna talk about. So let's talk about this. What is this, the SPY? No, I need you to look. Let me show you what I was talking about, the greed. All right, let me know when you guys are ready. Thumbs up. I'm gonna explain a key point of trading when it comes to greed. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready, because it's important what I'm about to say. I need everyone focused. Marcy, good vision to have, Professor. Appreciate it anytime. You don't care because you already got money. I guess so, Ann. I guess so. Yeah, you could say that. Rico, excellent advice, vision you have. Thank you, Rico. Thumbs up. Let me know when everyone's ready, because I'm about to go into something very important. Nitro, this is Trading View, my bro. Trading View. Everyone's ready? All right, everyone's ready. So this is where it comes about greed. And if you don't know what any of these indicators mean, I'm not going into that right now. You can just go to my IG. It's right here. And what do you call it? You can watch the video. But I'm going to explain the greed part. Listen up. Where can I want a good example to show you guys. Perfect. All right, where I started this. All right, ready? Let me show you now. So you got volume, you got lower VWAP, middle VWAP, upper VWAP, okay? And these are my trend lines. This is the conversation to have about pro trading. We'll get to this on another week, not right now. So my entry would be my entry, if I had an entry, would be, it's below 9 EMA, so I wouldn't get in now, would be right here. Okay, that's where my entry would be. Where's my exit? 1 penny before here. And if you don't know why, again, watch the video. I don't want to talk about this now because I want the focus to be on FOMO right now. My entry, my exit. So, I could have said, oh, look at the wick. It's gonna go a little higher. No, I need to trust myself. I have to trust my skill. I have to trust my plan. That, you know what? Usually, nothing's 100%. Whenever it goes above the upper VWAP, it always comes right back down. Almost always. So I know that. So I got out. And will I go and enter again? I'm not entering it again. So let me show you again. I'm at the point. Is the marker on? Okay. So if you notice, if you're taking a big risk, you could enter here. I wouldn't. You could. Why? Look at my trend line. I know that it's going to hit here. Now I'm going into pro level trading. Because I know it follows the trend. Hit here. But did it hit there? No. So what could happen now? Look, I could be in this trade. I could be in this trade and I could say, oh, it's gonna go because it has to hit the trend line. Nothing is guaranteed. It didn't hit the trend line and now my greed kicked in. What I would do is, I would have got out here because there's no guarantee it would go hit here. Because now look what happened. It went down. So you have to understand what you want and stop going, what if I went in a few more pennies? What if I just held on a little longer? That wasn't the plan. The plan is to follow your plan. So that's where greed comes in. Noel, that's for another conversation, bro. I want to focus on the lesson. That's pro level trading. I'm going to get to that another week. Holy Grail syndrome? What's that, Joe? Holy Grail syndrome. All right, now you guys get it. Let's go. Oh, mother. Okay. So, number 10. That's how you keep greed out of it. Stop thinking I could go more in for it. Follow your trading plan. Follow your trading plan. Thank you, Nunez. Yeah, all my content is there. I've explained all this stuff over there. Yes, exactly. The price is to follow your plan. Golden phrase right there. Yes, definitely. Does your plan consist of what percentage gain you receive or is it something else? Alex, I don't care about the percentage. I don't care about the P&L. I just trade the setup. I don't care about any of that because the money will just come. If I trade the setup, again, going back to the sport analogy, Michael Jordan plays basketball. He doesn't care about the score. He's just playing. And if at the end of it, he has like 100 points, I don't know if he gets that. I have no idea. He did well. You get what I'm saying? It's traders switching from strategy to another strategy. Trying to find one that always wins. Ah, got you, Joe. Ivan's here. What's up, Ivan? I miss you, bro. Got you, Joe. Yeah, that's very dangerous, by the way. For those of you trying, by the way, I just finished my content. The video will drop whenever Richard's team finishes editing it. But about scalp trading, swing trading. There's many ways of trading. Nothing is 100%. You just have to find the one that you understand and gives you the biggest percent return, by the way. You know, institutional traders talk about this all the time. They're happy if they're right 51% of the time. They're happy. Institutional traders, the guys that move the market, they're happy with 51%. So what are you upset about if you're wrong 30%, 40% of the time? Even breaking even is a beautiful thing. Remember that. Am I late, Professor? Athen, you're very late, bro. You're very late. I've been paper trading with little knowledge. I have. But as soon as I see green, I take profit. Okay, Jerry, that's good. But also, you want to be able to maximize profit by following a good plan, right? At the same time. So sticking to your plan is a way to keep emotions in check. Yes, Mr. 2K, 100%. Stick to what you know. Stick to what you know. People ask me all the time, Professor, why aren't you in options? I tried to learn options. Makes no sense to me whatsoever. So I never went back to options. It doesn't make sense to me. It's the most bizarre thing, in my opinion. Scalp trading works. I do very well with scalp trading. I'm here teaching you guys. So hey, I picked up on it real quick. However, you want to have a strategy for bull market and bear market. Correct, Ivan. 100% Ivan, because that's the beauty of shorting. Now, no matter how the market is, I can trade, good or bad, so it doesn't matter. All right, so are we done? Are we done with how to keep emotions in check? We got 10 things. Let me know. Let me know if you guys got anything else. Because this is all going to go into content. Joe, I have live scalp trading videos on my IG, Joe. Go to, my IG is right here. Go there. The video says, there's a couple of videos there, live scalp trading. And it shows you my mindset when I'm trading. Boom. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Let me see a lot of thumbs up. There's 86 people here. Once I see a lot of thumbs up, we'll go to the next one. Your top 3 stocks to trade. Pfizer, AT&T, JetBlue, Jeff. Pfizer, AT&T, JetBlue. People shorting is the same as puts, differences on shares. Got you, Angel. You're welcome, Joe, anytime. Ivan, what's happening? Rosa, you're up late. All right, people are good. We can move on. All right, let's move on. So, for Shannon and the rest of you, screenshot this. I'm going to go to the next thing now. Screenshot this. I'll give you guys 5 seconds. I'll shut off the commenting and I will. You guys can turn off commenting. All right, let me fix this so you can screenshot this. All right, go ahead. 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. What the hell? Why are the comments so far away? All right, here we go. All right, let's fix the camera. Okay, next topic. What are we talking about? Let's go. Let me name this so I don't forget it. Emotion in check. All right, keep your emotions in check. Number 3, entries and exits. Let's go. All right, let's talk entries and exits now. Number 3 of the topic. How do we figure out our entries and exits? Let me see it in the comments. Let's go. You're welcome, Ivan, anytime. Every time I see you on my lives, it brings back memories from April and May, my bro. You are missed. We used to go live with Richard all the time, you and me, side by side. Any book recommendations? Misha, I already said it. I don't remember the names. We already talked about it. Talk about indicators. What are the most useful ones? Anthony, tell me. We'll talk about that. I've talked about it in the past. We'll talk about it again. But how do we figure out our entries and exits? I want to hear about it. There we go. Here we go. Let's go. My favorite. Ooh, Tola got it. Candlestick pattern. Yes. Mother of God. Read the news about the stock during one market. Shannon, you can't really get the support entries and exits from that. No. But thank you for trying, Shannon. Thank you for trying. I gotta understand using RSI MACD. Yes. Noel, I made a video about RSI MACD, 9 EMA, VWAP, all that stuff. Again, my IG is right here. The video is there. Trend lines, yes. Very nice, Montana. Price action, I think I said that one. Candlesticks patterns, okay, that's separate. We'll separate that. That works. One minute, 5 minutes standard deviation. Okay, Carl, very nice, Carl. Carl, how's the boxing going, Carl? How's the boxing going? 7. One minute. Keep it going. Volume. Yes, yes, yes. Who said that? Visionary, very nice. RSI if you're oversold, okay. EMAs, yes. The cross of the 20, the EMA. Yeah, we'll put that together, Mo. We'll put the EMAs in just one basket. Knowing psychology, when to enter a trade. Computer numbers, in other words. Knowing the computer traders. Yes. Very nice, Rico. Good job. By the way, number 10, Rico, good job. Number 10, this is so key. So key. Understanding computer trading is so important. If you have the course, if you paid for it, and you didn't check it out, go back to Richard's course. He has it there. He has a whole section of computer trading course. It's fantastic. Price action, I said that already. Volume, I got that already. What platform do you use to trade and why? Alex, we'll talk about that later, but Webull and TradingView. Just want to congratulate everyone on taking the time to learn while other people are watching Netflix. You know it, Joe. Latina, continuation and reversal patterns. Okay, days range. That's important too. Making sure candlesticks is round. Okay, VWAP, manipulation. Oops, never mind, they said that. 0.5 and dollar. Yep, that falls right under here. 0.5 and $1. Whole numbers. Knowing when a short squeeze is about to occur. Okay. What do you guys think? We got 10 things so far. How insane is it that the day trade top traders are always helping you guys out, giving you your entries and exits by looking at all this data? By the way, that's a lot of data. It's not easy to figure out your entry and exit. You need to understand. If you don't understand, by the way, I'll move out the way, Shannon, so you can screenshot this. But if you don't understand these 10 foundational things, it's very hard to become a good trader. Let me move out the way. Screenshot it. Ooh, level 2. Level 2. Level 2 is so important. Oh, I keep spelling it. Yes. Nice. Rico, you get an extra brownie points over there. Good job. What else? My God. Look at all the people here right now. That's crazy. Yo, Manny, I was just talking about you. Manny, did you just get here? I was just talking about you. I was telling Manny, what's up? I was just telling everyone how in the group, when you're giving them excellent entries and exits, your brain is looking at all this data to come up with the entry and exit, Manny. So we all appreciate you, by the way. Since these are foundational things, making a video on each would be extremely important. Okay, I'll do a vote on that. Yes, sir. Okay, so Manny, you know it. Wait, let me ask Ants. Where'd it go? Since these are foundational. All right, guys, what do you think? What Roba said. Should I make a video? Remember Instagram Reel? Wait, I did already. What am I even saying? Yo, Roba, I made videos on this already. Almost everything behind me, there's videos on it. Go to my IG, it's right here. The videos have already been made. Boom. Is there a trading community that moves the market at the same time? Jeff, I don't know about those trading communities. I don't know. Head and shoulders patterns. That falls under number 6. Manny is the man. Go to options. Yeah, yo, anybody in here asking about options? Hit up Manny. His screen name is right there. Manual Official. Hit him up. Level 2 shows big orders, either support, resistance, is considered level. Level 2 shows the people coming in, buying it. But what I look at really, this is what I look at. I look at level 2, but what I really like is this. I love time and sales. Love time and sales. Solid is, do I have a video on market limit stop? No, because I stopped using those. I don't use them anymore because I got to a level of trading where I don't need them. Give me more, guys. How else do we figure out our entries and exits? Let's go. Give me more. We got 93 people learning right now. So 93 of you, give me some more. Keep it going. Momentum. You put psychological levels. Yeah. Lakio is right here. Right here. When you understand the computer traders, right here. The 0.5 and the dollar. Katoa, I don't know what that is. Follow your plan. I don't want to confuse people with that. What do you use to time your entries and exits? Professor Ernesto, I'm a support resistance guy. I mainly do, I showed you when I pulled up the stock. Is Rich on this live? I have some questions for him. Matt, I don't know if he's on the live. I don't know. ABC pattern. That falls under price action. Pullbacks. Okay. Is this the main stuff? What do you guys think? Anything else, guys? That's it? Do you have programs to learn how to trade better? I don't have a program. Do I see it? I would have to go through all 93 names, Angel, to see if Richard's watching right now. So, yeah. What do you call? Where'd he go? Jeff, I have content on this. Just go to my IG right here. All my stuff is free. I don't charge anything for my content. It's all free. This is a guess, and it might be up there. It might be up there is in a technical term, but I saw Greek letters and numbers with Greek letters and symbols with numbers next to them. Greek letters and numbers. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Stop loss? Can I start over? No, we're not starting over. I've been live for almost an hour, I think. Reversal, but it falls in between candlestick. Yeah, Manny got it, guys. It falls, a lot of the stuff you're saying, it's basically out here, but I focused it right here. Candlesticks and trend lines, correct, Manny, you got it. I'd like to learn more from you, maybe private lessons online. Jeff, just go to my IG, there's a link right there. Just click on that link and set it up. Fundamental news. I don't think you should base your entries and exits on the news. You shouldn't base your entries on the news. No, that's not a good idea. Don't do that. Who said that? Chrysler? Nah, I don't think so. Manny, let me know. We have two top traders in here, Manny and me. So Manny, let me know. Miguel, what's up, Miguel? Greek letters are in options. Okay, again, I wouldn't know. I'm a complete idiot when it comes to what do you call it? Options. That's it. Are we done? Are these the 13 things we focus on? As in alpha, omega, all these symbols on Robinhood, then his numbers next to it. Alex, what's his name? Where'd he go? Miguel Official just said it. It's options. I don't know anything about options. All right, are we done? Are we moving on to the next question? So we understand to get an entry and exit, it's not easy. You just can't buy and sell just like that. You have to know all this information to get the best entry and exit. And you see why so many traders fail? It's because they don't understand these things. And then what do? They give up. Trading is not a quick rich scheme, guys. It really isn't. I'm standing here in front of you, and a lot of you know I was that guy on the couch, butt naked with a blanket on, learning everything, asking Richard all these intense questions, wanting to know more. I had to learn all this, piece by piece by piece. You have to do the same if you want to get to this level. So remember that. All right, guys, should I move on to the next one? What do you think? Oh wait, let me know. I'll take my water break. RTTR. I love RTTR. My first penny stock, $6.2 thousand in less than an hour. Love that stock. Absolutely love that stock. I want to make $1 million already and retire at 30. Ortiz, don't think like that. Don't think like that, my dude. Just work hard. Just work hard. You'll get there. All the way back in the year 2020. Doesn't it feel like years ago? That's what it feels like to me, by the way. Someone said Fibonacci. Royce, I don't use Fibonacci, so I can't comment. I can only tell you what I know. I don't use Fibonacci, so yeah, there you go. All right, I see the thumbs up. Everyone's good to go. We got 100 people. When the hell did we get 100 people in here? Do you mind posting the books that helped you in IG if you still have them? Dream, go into the media section of Day Trade today, okay? Go to links. Wait. Yeah, go to links. You'll see them there. Patience is a virtue. How can RSI and MACD go hand in hand? Ernesto, that's a conversation for another day. We're just going over things right now, not right now. We got this? All right, let's go to the next topic. All right, I'm gonna shut off comments, screenshot. 105. Yo, that's sick. All right, comments coming off, guys. Screenshot, I'll give you 5 seconds. Boom, go ahead. For those of you coming in late, we got so many late people here right now. You guys need to turn on your notifications. And I announced that I was going live today, by the way, on my personal IG. So yeah, Day Trade Professor at the bottom. I announced I was going live and boom, I had to make so much content. So, all right, let's go. That's enough. Comments are on. All right, Pran, what's going on? You are late. All right, next thing. Ooh. Should we call it quits or go more? Let me see in the comments. Hearts, hearts, hearts. Thumbs up. Should I quit? That's it for the day. I'll see you on Friday, or should I keep going? Let me see it. Let me see. My apologies. Pran, turn on your notifications. You're late to class. We missed a lot of important information. Overslept. Yo, no. I was gonna go live tomorrow, as I always do, but tomorrow's the election. I don't think anybody wanna watch me on the day of the election, so I'm like, nah. Let's go. Let me see if you guys want me to keep going or that's enough. Let me see. I got 98 people in here. You guys can be watching the Fox News, CNN right now about what's happening with Trump and Biden. But you guys are here, 100 of you. Worldwide. I got a trading. Yo, Joe, you got to stop with the inappropriate stuff, bro. You got to keep it professional. That's a different person's live, not mine. Let's not talk about inappropriate things on my live, please. Roger, watch this in the election circus. Pran, I agree. Be the Duracell bunny? Yo, Anthony, I could go 7 days a week nonstop, but the freaking Instagram algorithm would mess me up. It's because everyone's like, yo, Professor's always on live. Forget him. We won't pay attention. He'll just show up the next day. So, all right. So more. All right, let's go. All right, let's go again. Let's go more. Keep your emotions in check. Entries and exits, support lines. We'll get to this later. Let me highlight this because I'll talk about that later. Because I want to go over concepts right now. But, so I don't forget, we're going to come back to this. Because this will take a long time to explain and go deeper. By the way, I made a video on this already, just so you know. So instead of me wasting valuable time talking about that, I already made a video on it. So let's do learn key indicators. Okay. Oh, the key indicators. You want to talk about number 5 or should I skip it? Because we talk about it so much. Let me know in the comments. Say 5, yes. 5, thumbs up. 5, thumbs up. Go. I mean, my bedtime is coming up, but if you're still going to the lesson, I'll stay up. Thanks, Professor, taking the time out of your day. You got it, Ernesto. Anytime, guys. I love helping. I love teaching. This makes me happy. Shannon, what are you, 12? Bedtime? Who has a bedtime? You gotta give me the number, guys. Where are the videos? On my IG, bro. My IG, Day Trade Professor, right at the bottom. It's pinned. My IG is pinned. You guys want me to talk about 5? I've talked about 5 so many times. Somebody said 7. Habib, number, man? You just said man. What the hell? What are you talking about, man? 5, 5, 5. Vincent's here. Vincent, what's going on, my dude? Hope all is well. Long time no see, Vincent. All right, everyone wants me to go into 5. Let's go. So, learning the key indicators. Again, a lot of these videos are already on my Instagram. It's right here. So, let's go. What's this board? Oh, I didn't save it. That's why. All right, let's go. So you guys give me the ones that you think are the most important, and I'll tell you if they're key or not. Ready? Give me in the comments. I'm taking a water break. Mr. 2K, bet your school students really like you. I'm good to the kids, yeah. Majority of them, Mr. 2K. But there's always one every year, Mark, that drives me bananas. I love my sleep, man. Shannon, sleep is key. Go to bed. Go to bed. We'll see you on Friday. I got a bedtime at 12 as well. Well, Manny, you're in a whole different continent right now, bro. You're in the Middle East. Shannon's probably from Florida. Vincent doing very well. Good to hear, Vince. Good to hear. I'm from India. This is my first time, brother. Learning is my priority. Thanks for the class, brother. You got it, Habib, anytime. You're welcome. Stay clean. Dope setup, Professor. Thank you, Jerry. All right, let's go. All right, here we go. The key indicators. Boom. Yep. Yo, Noel. No cursing, bro. Keep it clean here. Keep it clean here. The F politics. You know what? I'm going to come back to MACD because I'm going to come back to it. And I'm going to explain why I'm going to come back to it. Volume. I want to talk about key. Oh, before I forget, if you don't have TradingView, the Pro or the Premium, whatever it is, Cyber Monday is coming. So if you get the free trial now, right? Get the free trial if you don't have it. Wait for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. They'll always give you a nice deal. So you could pay for it and have it for the whole year. It's like $200. Trust me, it's worth it. Just came to mind. So we got 9 EMA, volume, VWAP. Fibonacci, Shan, I've never used it, so I can't comment. I've never used it, so I can't say if it's key, but for me personally, I've never used it. 20, 50, 200. Ernesto, I don't know. Just complete beginner here to learn. I got your RSI, MACD, Momentum, 90 MA, 20 RSI, VWAP, Elastic, Bullish Beard, Bollinger Bands. I've never used Bollinger Bands either. Argentina is on fire? Oh, that's sad. I have a friend that lives there. BTC group chat help. I'm from Connecticut. Yo, Shannon, do you know Danny P? Danny P owns Connecticut. Would time and sales be considered an indicator? Huh. What do you guys think? Would time and sales be considered an indicator? Because I love time and sales. Is that an indicator? I don't know. But I'm going to put it. I will put it. Because I can't stop looking at time and sales at this point. So I'm focusing on the main ones, guys. I'm focusing on the main ones. Is that it? Because there's like 100,000 no, I'm exaggerating. It's like 100 indicators, but I want to focus on the main ones. No more? So all you really need to figure out, yes, MACD, RSI, yes, they're important. I use them. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with them. But, if you can master, and I think it's really important. With that, is it an indicator? It's not really an indicator. I'm gonna put it anyway. I make the rules, right? If you can master 90 MA, volume, 3-layer VWAP, time and sales, and trend lines, you will become the master, and I will bow to you. I like what Ortiz said. It doesn't matter as long as it makes money if it's an indicator or not. I agree. What do you guys think of what I wrote on the board? What do you guys think? Damn, 90 people sticking around. That's like 3 classrooms, by the way. There's like 30 kids in a classroom. It's like 3, it's like, love technology. I like moving average, got me profits. So people agree, right? Yeah. If you can master these, yes, MACD, RSI, yes, I use them, they're important. But I think these, once you master, you really bring yourself on another level. Wait till I teach you about this. Ooh, this is sick. Sick. I'll show you. I posted this on my on my Instagram, my personal. Once you learn how to do all this, you don't need much, because I'll show you. You see how it stayed in the trend lines? It stayed in there. Left it for a little bit, like it always does. Nothing's 100%. Remember that. Nothing is 100% in life. God forbid I could be gone tomorrow. God forbid. But it came right back down. Hit it. Wait till I teach you about this stuff. But to get to that level, you need